National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north central Texas until 7:45 a.m. At 6:39 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Decatur, moving east at 50 miles per hour. A 55 miles per hour wind gust was reported in Decatur. The severe thunderstorm will be near North Lake, Houston, Carmen Sango around 6:45 a.m., Argyle, Corral City, Denton, and Roanoke around 6:50 a.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. The normal broadcast schedule has been suspended because warnings have recently been issued for parts of your listening area. These warnings and statements will play next.